Hi everyone, good evening. Today I am coming with another important concept of English grammar which is called error correction. And in last classes I left this particular concept. I told you in my last classes. So today I am collecting some important examples from variety papers, some selected sentences from error corrections, and today I am going to discuss one after another. Before going to discuss the concept of error corrections, I like to say, to get the concept properly, we have to know more and more parts of English grammar in details, such as sometimes error correction may be given in tenses, and other sometimes error correction given in determiners, sometimes given in prepositions. So we have to know more and more things in details. Other concept means I like to say that to get the concept properly, the concept of error correction, we have to know more and more in details the other concept of such as prepositions, use of appropriate prepositions, use of appropriate phrases and items, and use of appropriate tenses. That will definitely help you to make the concept clear. Okay, and let's discuss one after another. Whatever possible for me, I will touch the other related concepts with these particular sentences. Okay, first one, he and I committed the crime. This is the first example. It is given here. It is given for error correction. Okay, first sentence given, he and I committed the crime. Regarding in this case, at this moment I like to say, when committing crimes with together, and at that particular time, first of all you have to mention your name at first. Okay, your name at first, and secondly the other person who with you at particular time, you have to mention the other's name. Okay, here given he and I, he given first, so here he and I, it is wrong. Here correct form will be I and he. Regarding crime, first of all I have to mention my name. If I am related with this crime, then at that particular time, first of all I have to mention my own name, then I have to mention the others. So what will be the correct form? I and he committed the crime. Next one, I and you did the noble deed. This is opposite from that, because when we did we done some noble deed, some good job. Okay, first of all you have to mention others name, then your name you have to mention later. Here given I and you did the noble deed. Noble deed means great job or good job. Okay, so first of all what will be correct form? You and I did the noble deed. This is totally contradictory from each other. Okay, again I am going to repeat it that when we committed crime with others, first of all have to mention my name first and his name secondly. In case of doing good job or noble deeds or noble job, first of all we have to mention other name first, then my name later. Okay, the next one, she is suffering from fever for last 2 months. Given, so it is an example of present perfect continuous tense. So here instead is she has been suffering. In this way we have to make it correct. Okay, in this way we have to correct it. She has been suffering from fever for last 2 months. Next one, I bought this bag with 300 rupees. I bought this bag. I told him, I discussed the concept of preposition, that buying something, or in case of buying something, in that case we have to use for preposition. Here instead with we have to use for preposition to correct it. What will be the answer? I bought this bag for 300 rupees. In this way we have to correct it. Next one, do you know to swim? Here what will be correct form? Do you know? Here we have to add how to swim. Do you know how to swim? Okay, and next one, the British left India with bag and baggage. Bag and baggage is on feathers. Okay, so here no need with. Okay, bag and baggage is enough to indicate this meaning. Okay, so what is the answer? The British left India bag and baggage. Here we have to remove with from this sentence, then it will be correct form. Okay, and next one, he has come shortly. Has come, present perfect tense. So here instead shortly we have to write recently. RDCENT LY, recently. This is the time of present perfect tense, and shortly is the time of future indefinite tense. Okay. And next one, there are good news for you. News is always in single number. Okay. So here will be there is, not are. Okay. Instead are, here we have to use each. The question is, there are good news for you. Answer will be, there is good news for you. In this way we have to correct it. And next one, we reach the station timely. We reach the station, here instead timely we have to write in time. Means before the appropriate time of the train. Okay. We reach the station in time. Next one, you must stop to write. You must stop writing. Here no need to write. Here instead to write we have to write you must stop writing. Okay. Next one, my ambition is to become an engineer. Here engineer is, here first letter is vowel. Okay, so here instead A we have to use N. What will be answer? My aim is to become an engineer, in this way. Next one, you should not do such mistake. You should not do, here instead do you have to write make. You should not make such mistake. Okay. And next one, you should, okay, this one completed. He is a coward person. Here when we will get coward word, then no need to use person here. Answer will be he is a coward. Okay, he is a coward, in this way. Next one, when you do your homework. When you, it is an interrogative sentence. So here this is an interrogative sentence, simple present tense. Okay, so here we have to write do. When you do your homework. Okay, in this way. Or instead do, here we have to write, we can also use did to make an interrogative sentence of simple past tense. In this way we have to correct it. Okay, and this is the concept of error corrections. What the concepts we are getting from this particular sentence. First of all, we are getting about coming crimes. First of all we have to mention my name is first, and secondly other's name. And regarding noble deed, doing noble deed together, in that case we have to mention the other's name first, then my name is second time. Okay, and this is an example of here third sentence is given error correction. It is given to correct from the concept of tenses. Okay, next one given in prepositions. Okay, and next one sentence pattern or structure of sentence. Next one again preposition. Next one time. Next one V verb. And next one phrases. And next one article. And here we getting be verb. Okay, and okay, here we getting error correction getting in main verb. Okay, and next one this one, and other one in auxiliary verb or helping verb. In this way we can get variety sentences in our exam paper from different concepts. So we have to know more and more things. Okay, we try to learn more and more things from grammar, from tense to voice, preposition, determinants. If we get everything in details, if we understood everything in details, then that particular concept definitely help us in our corrections. These are today's class, and thank you. What's left today I will discuss in my next class. Okay.